Molin is transforming lives with its innovative formula that helps burn stubborn fat, boosts energy, improves mood, and supports overall wellness. Designed for those looking to lose weight, increase energy, or maintain a healthier lifestyle, Molin's effectiveness lies in its carefully selected ingredients. Mcque Berry, rich in antioxidants, protects cells and boosts energy. Riola, reduces stress and enhances mental clarity. Hematus supports joints and immunity. Theobroma Cacao regulates blood pressure and lifts mood. Molin enhances mitochondria, your cell's energy producers, helping you burn more calories and increase vitality. Users report feeling lighter and more energized, while the supplement also improves metabolism and digestion. Available only on the official website, Molin comes with free bonuses, detox and wellness guides when buying 3 or 6 bottles, plus free shipping on 6. With a 90-day guarantee, try it risk-free and take a step toward a healthier you.